How many times you left the house with like 20% of battery and thinking, I will be fine. Then panic hits halfway through the day. Well, this little thing right here is designed exactly for that moment. This is the Statik Snap-n-Charge version 3. And it's not trying to be a massive power bank. It's trying to be the one emergency charger you actually carry with you, on your keys, in your pocket, or clip it to your bag. Let me show you why this might be one of the most practical, everyday power banks I used. So after the intro, I tell you my honest opinion with this product. Let's go! As usually, let's start with the unboxing. So inside the box, you're not just getting the power bank. You get the Snap-n-Charge V3 power bank. 3 magnetic tips, which is Lightning, USB-C and micro USB, a silicone tip holder, which is honestly clutch, and a D-ring carabiner so you can clip everything to your keys or backpack. This already tells you the mindset behind the product. It's meant to be grab and go, not something you remember once your phone is already dead. Now let's pick the design and the portability. The first thing you notice is the size. This thing is tiny, like pocket tiny. No cables hanging around, no bulky brick on your pocket. You literally snap it straight onto your phone using the magnetic tip. And this is important. This is not wireless charging. It's a direct magnetic connection through the tip, which means faster than QI wireless, more efficient and way more secure. Version 3 also adds a secure grip ring around the magnetic connector, so once it's attached, it really stays put. So you can still scroll, game, FaceTime. It doesn't mess with your grip at all. Now let's speak about the whole magnetic tip system. This is honestly my favorite part. Instead of carrying different cables of power banks, you get one charger that works with basically everything. Lightning is for iPhone or AirPods. USB-C, Android phones, earbuds and newer devices. Micro USB, it's for older devices, cameras, e-readers, etc. And you can leave the magnetic tip in your phone, which protects your charging port from the dust and lint, reduces wear over time and makes snapping on the power bank instant. No fumbling with cables, just snap and you're charging. Now let's talk power and keep expectations realistic. This has a 3200 mAh battery. It's not meant to fully charge your phone multiple times. Instead, it's an emergency boost power bank. In real use, you are looking at roughly 50 to 65% charge on most smartphones, more than enough to finish the day. Perfect for emergencies, travel or nights out. Max output is 10 watts, which is totally fine for its size and purpose. And recharging the power bank itself, it's going via USB-C. It takes about 1.5–2 hours to fully charge. This is the kind of charger you forget about until you need it. It can be clipped on your keys, in a small bag, even if a jacket pocket. Perfect for travel, festivals, commutes, backup power for earbuds or just peace of mind. And yes, it's TSA and airline safe, so no issues carrying it on flights. Now let me mention the safety and reliability. Overheat protection, overcharge protection, LED battery indicators, and static backseat with a 2 years warranty, which is solid for a power bank this size. So who is this for? This is not for you if you want to charge laptops or need multiple full phone charges. But it's perfect if you want a small, always with you charger, something universal, and something that removes the daily battery anxiety. Honestly, this is one of those products that makes life much easier. And now guys, let's wrap up. So yeah, that's been my experience with the Statik Snap-n-Charge V3. A huge thanks for Statik to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. I really appreciate the support. As always, all thoughts are my own, and honestly, this is one of those products I'd actually carry every day. If you are someone who wants a small, stress-free emergency charger that works with pretty much all your devices, I can highly recommend this one. It's simple, practical and just makes lives easier. If you want to check it out, I leave the link down below. So it was Akos from ATechFlow, it was a power bank from Statik, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.